In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do a Facebook live video inside a Facebook group, whether you own or you do not own. So even though you're not the admin, you're able to do the Facebook live in the Facebook group. So right now I'm in the Facebook group. So when you are over here, what you need to do is to hover to over to write something. And when you click on it, you will see these three dots, right? And once you click the three dot, you'll be able to click live video. All right, so you actually bring you to this live producer. You can actually just click in go live, and basically you just need to make sure that here you choose post in the group where it is the Facebook group that you have selected to do the live video. All right, you can just select the relevant Facebook group. All right, and then after that, just to click go live. And once you click go live in Facebook Live Studio, you will actually be prompted to this where you're able to fill up the information. I'm just going to show you a short while. All right, so there is a few information that I need to put in right now. So the first one is actually, when are you going to live? Basically, you are going to do live right now, just pick now. And after that, basically there's nothing much that you need to do for the settings. And I know all these are complicated stuff, but then you don't have to worry about that. Be sure that you select webcam when you're using a webcam to do the Facebook live video, and click allow, because you are allowing the Facebook to use your camera as well as your microphone. Just click allow, and then just waiting for the camera to show up. Okay, because I don't have a second camera, I'm recording a tutorial right now. That's why you don't see anything over here. But once you need to just select the media source, select your microphone, just to pick the microphone that you are using, and select the webcam that you're using, then you are basically good to go. So if let's say I couldn't do it right now because I'm actually doing the recording right now. I only have one microphone. All right, so you guys can see it. Now the option is available. You can click this below, and then you will actually have different options. So you just select the webcam that you're currently using. I couldn't select this one because I'm currently recording. So same thing, select the microphone that you'll be using. And if you like to share your screens, you can click this screen share in Facebook Live. Okay, so once you're done set up over here, the next thing you need to do is just to put in your captions. So what captions that you want to input, you can just input over here. So what is the title of the video and what is the description? Okay, so these are the things that you can enter. And then once you have done so, you can then click the go live button. All right, so let me see if I'm able to test it for you guys. So it's just going to be a testing and testing as well. All right, once you hit save, you will be able to click the go live button. Can you see that? The go live button appear. So you must make sure that you put the title as well as the description in the Facebook Live, in the post details. Then this go live button will become blue color, and you'll be able to see your own video over here, and that's how you know that you are going live. I hope that this tutorial helped you guys. If you've been loving this Facebook Live tutorial in Live Producer in Facebook, feel free to give me a like or subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. And also not to forget that if you love to improve your public speaking skills, you can check it out, our course, Amazing Public Speaking Secrets, at here, junlo.co/APSP. So I'm going to teach you all the mini tips, bite-sized tips daily that you're going to be able to use directly in order to improve your public speaking and presentation skill. And I will see you in the next video and tutorial then. Take care. Bye.